Asus is set to launch its next gaming flagship, ROG Phone 6, on June 5th. Asus has announced that the ROG Phone 6 will be the first gaming phone to come with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset under the hood. There already have been a lot of benchmarking tests of this phone, showing a promising performance. Apart from this, the company has officially confirmed that the ROG Phone 6 will have a 165Hz refresh rate display. Asus is likely to use a power-efficient OLED display with variable refresh rate technology, like LTPO, to offer ultra-smooth UI and better power efficiency. The display on the Asus ROG Phone 6 is likely to have a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and the phone is likely to use the latest Gorilla Glass Victus. We expect the ROG Phone 6 to have a bit of a chin on the top and bottom portion of the phone to house the stereo speaker setup. The phone's design has already been leaked a few times, hinting its gaming aesthetic, which pretty much aligns with its official blueprints. Apart from this, there'll be a ton of RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and an even more eye-catching rear panel design with RGB lighting. The company has also confirmed to launch new gaming accessories in the same launch event. The company has a dedicated web page for countdown, leading up to launch of the Asus ROG Phone 6. With about a month left until the launch of the ROG Phone 6, the company is expected to confirm more details about the phone in the coming weeks. So stay subscribed. Until then, see you guys later.